United Airlines is known for an upscale client base who knows how to follow all airline and airport protocol while in the airplane. So how does this airport matter even happen? On February 12, 2026, the Tampa Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
So what's going on?
So we have like a mom probably in her 50s traveling with her son who's probably 6 or 7 and a grandma. The mom has acted kind of crazy, shaking the seat in front of her. She reared back and slapped really hard at the grandma, and a passenger saw it, and she went to the back laugh, but it was locked and closed, someone was in it. She was kicking it. They have been calm. I did have another crew member sit close so she could monitor. During taxi and landing, she's been okay. But there is an elderly person involved and a child, so I can't.
And you said they're all traveling together?
Yeah.
Where did this happen? Was it right after takeoff?
No, this happened like before landing recently.
So were you in the state of Florida, you would say? Or
Yeah. I mean, it happened within the last hour.
Within the last hour? Okay. I guess would you be able to point them out to us as they come off?
Well, if they're 22 Delta, do you want me to just go get them?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just need to know exactly what county they were over, because it's jurisdiction thing.
It's mother and grandmother, yeah.
See if grandma's all there.
Hello, can you hear me? That's snoring. It's radio.
How are you, sir?
You guys
Hey, good. How are you? Thanks. Could you tell us where you were when this was reported to you?
Oh, we're probably over Montgomery, Alabama, or something like that. And we were way back. That's 40 minutes ago.
Okay.
Something like that.
Montgomery, Alabama, okay.
So out of state?
Yeah, I don't think. Well, no, we might have just crossed over. Close. South Alabama, North Florida.
Okay.
Where is it?
What flight number is this?
All right. How's everybody doing? All right. We're going to go talk when we get to the top. Ma'am, over here. Ma'am, come over here. Because me and you need to talk. So what's going on? Is that your mom? Is this your mother?
Yeah.
So what happened on the airplane?
About what?
Did anything happen on the flight between you and your mother?
She didn't take a medication.
She didn't take her medication?
So I was very upset.
You got-
no
you-
way of recovering them.
So you got upset because she forgot her medications? Do you live in Florida or do you live in California?
Pardon?
Do you live here in Florida or California?
Yeah. So I just left them home. And
So you live in California? Miss, can I come talk to you over here?
What is problem?
What happened? What happened on the plane?
I'm okay.
What happened on the plane?
I'm okay.
Well, I need to know what happened on the plane, though.
I
I
know.
understand that. I understand you're okay, but...
This is my grandson.
Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy?
You have to.
What's up? What? Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened on the plane that obviously got... Okay, I understand that, but obviously police got called.
Please.
Yes. Police officer. Yes.
She had too much surgery.
Too much surgery?
Surgery had. He is little nervous.
Okay.
And I have surgery. I put drop. I finished my drop yesterday. She told me, okay, you not talk me, no more drop. Okay. That is
Okay.
normal.
Did anything happen on the plane? Physically?
Yeah.
Something
It's
physically?
okay.
But what happened? I understand you're saying it's okay. Because if you don't tell me, other people are going to tell me. And I want to hear from you what you have to tell me.
Sorry, my English is terrible.
Espanol? Or what do you speak?
No, I speak Bulgarian.
Bulgarian? Okay. Did she slap you? She slap you?
No, that is first time. She is very nervous. She is little nervous. She
I
had
understand
too
that.
much surgery, but she finished Stanford University with scholarship from Stanford. She finished baccalaureate, master, PhD. She worked for government,
Okay.
but now
So
she is a good girl.
I understand. She may be a good girl. I understand that. The thing is when we get called for anything that's related to domestic violence and everything, we have to investigate it.
Boyani,
So
where is my boy?
he's right here. She got done with surgery. She keeps downplaying it. She said that nothing happened at all, and then I finally got it out of her where she's like, yeah, she slapped me.
Go ahead.
So there's a language barrier. I don't know about her, but she says that she's just saying, "Oh, everything's fine, everything's fine." I said, "Did she hit you?" No, everything's fine, everything's fine. I said, "Listen, if you're not going to tell me, other people are going to tell me."
So
And I
he's,
said, "Did you get slapped?" And she said,
well, she admitted to hitting her.
It's little,
Yeah.
it's little."
And this guy sitting behind him saying that younger one, daughter's sitting in the aisle seat, mom's in the middle. The whole flight, she's acting agitated, shaking the seat in front of her, kicked it, and at one point, because she's having words with grandma, and at one point just stands up and one hand slaps her.
Apparently, she didn't bring her medication.
Yeah,
or whatever,
she's
so
mad
she-
about the medication.
That's why she got all upset. That she was like, "Yeah, I was frustrated that she didn't bring her medication." Something like that. So she was like, "Yeah, I did get frustrated." Slapped her. He's like, I didn't slap her hard.
Is grandma going to be able to take care of the kid and be on her own?
Tony, I guess it's the girl.
Hey, can I get your keys so we can get some statements?
Please stay with hotel. Please. So my grandson is,
We're still trying to figure it out.
yeah, it's
Let's
so
go.
much
Just walk over there, ma'am. We're going to figure it out, okay? Just hang out with that deputy, or that officer. Deputy.
Pardon?
Is she your grandma or your mother? Is she your mother?
Yeah.
Okay. Is she okay? Like, can she make decisions? She knows.
Huh?
How old's grandma?
I didn't even talk to grandma yet.
It's going to be a modifier.
Your speech.
Does your daughter have any conditions, mental health wise?
My daughter is okay, is good girl.
Okay, does she have any mental health conditions?
Mental?
Is she diagnosed with anything? Sickness? Language barrier, Bulgarian.
She is good. She had too much surgery. He's little nervous. He's today. She's good girl.
Yeah, I asked mom if she had any conditions, but she doesn't. There's a barrier. There's a speech barrier.
Yeah, that's the only thing. In the eye. Okay. And is she like? afraid
No,
of
she
her?
didn't say that she has a speech barrier. I'm saying she doesn't understand what I'm asking.
She
so
doesn't. She doesn't understand either.
So who knows if she's diagnosed with
Yeah,
anything?
yeah. And but she's okay. She's not claiming she wants any
No, she said she's a good. Oh no, she said she's fine.
prosecution or nothing like
She's
that.
a good girl. That's all she's repeating.
Okay. Well, I was bringing statements, but
My guy couldn't even write he said he didn't want to write a statement. He said
Okay.
if we needed him, just call him.
okay. Where are you from? What are you from? The U.S.?
Pardon?
Are you from the U.S.?
Yeah.
Okay.
I live in California.
California?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to have to write something, but I don't think we're going to 10-15 anyone. But let me talk to the boss. I don't. What do you guys think? I don't.
This is not my call.
Right, give me an opinion because I don't
But
think it.
I have, if it's, not only that, but it's a state modifier. It's a modifier, and she did have we do have a witness of her getting struck.
But what now?
So we're trying to make a decision.
Surgery.
No, decision. We're trying to make a decision on what we're going to do. Okay?
See if she wants to write one and I'll get some statements.
What, do you want to write a statement? Paper?
Paper.
Do you want to write a statement?
book bag in the
Statement.
seat.
Yeah, a statement of what happened.
Black folder.
Every
I understand, but
yeah,
it doesn't matter if it's the first time.
first time.
It doesn't matter though. There's a crime here.
I'm over. You do me a favor and stand up. Just put your hands behind your back. You're going to be placed under arrest.
Oi,
Stop.
please.
Stop.
Please.
Ma'am.
Please.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Miss,
Stop.
you have your grandson.
Please.
You have your grandson.
Please. Please. You understand people.
Okay, we can't.
Please.
Stop.
Please.
Stop.
Listen,
Please.
Ma'am.
Please. Please.
you have your
Ma'am.
grandson. Look
You
at
got your grandson with you.
Look at your grandson.
Hey,
Go get your grandson. You have
deal with him.
No, please.
Don't make it.
Please.
Don't make it
Take
worse.
me.
No.
Take me.
No.
Take me.
Stop.
Take me. No. No, go.
Stop it.
Please.
You're gonna make it worse.
Please.
You're gonna make it worse.
Please.
Stop it. Stop it.
No, I no go home.
Stop it.
I sleep here.
Miss.
Stop. You're gonna make
I
it so much worse.
sleep
Your
here.
child.
I sleep here.
Your
gonna
grandson.
I
upset him.
sleep here.
Stop.
I sleep here.
Stop.
Buyane. Buyatok. I sleep here. No. No.
Come on, buddy.
I sleep here. I sleep this evening here. Yeah.
I'm taking one off. I'm trying to put a different. I'm trying to make it less comfortable.
Well, I'm not going anywhere. I would walk with you.
Okay.
It's not like I can run
We're
away.
fixing the handcuffs. Relax.
Please take him off. I'm not going anywhere. It's not like I can run away. I can barely walk.
Welcome to Tampa Bay. Please keep walking to exit.
I don't have my medication right now. It was my mom. Why?
Huh? It's because you can't put your hands on me.
I just said I never done it before. I was tired.
Well, you picked the wrong time to do it.
She wasn't I can't go anywhere without me.
What are these right here?
My mom, she doesn't drive. She doesn't speak English
What
very
what
well.
medications are these right here?
Gabapentin.
What are they?
It's a prescription for pain.
For pain?
Because I have a lot of pain. And I have a prescription.
You have a prescription for those?
I can't get myself to sleep.
You want to go? You want to sit? You want to go backwards?
I just want to give you her purse, that's all.
My daughter not telephone.
Huh?
Telephone, where is telephone, my daughter?
No, this is your daughter's. Can you hold it?
A telephone.
So she has the phone.
I might take this and put here. This evening, here sit. Here sit.
Okay.
Next day, you go home by your children. And my children no sleep, no.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.